Welcome to FRS Roofing plus Gutters, your top roofing company near Lexington, Massachusetts. We specialize in roof replacements, ensuring your home stays protected and beautiful. Our team uses the highest quality materials for every roofing project. Lexington is known for its rich history and excellent public schools, making it a great place to live. If your roof is damaged or failing, replacing it is essential to protect your home and investment. We offer free consultations to evaluate your roofing needs and provide detailed estimates. Our services include roof inspections, replacements, and gutter installations. We pride ourselves on delivering exceptional customer service and superior craftsmanship, serving Lexington and surrounding areas with top-notch roofing solutions. Lexington's residents attain a high level of education, contributing to the town's vibrant community. Don't wait until it's too late. Let us handle your roof replacement needs today. Call us at 781-322-6252 to schedule your free consultation, or visit our website at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Lexington for more information. FRS Roofing plus Gutters, protecting your home, one roof at a time.